me cansé, ya no vuelvas a llamar.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we are here with Haymaking 2025. We are in what we call the bottom of the top field, and Dad is just currently setting up the New Holland 68. This baler we used last year had quite a few issues at the beginning, but we solved them all, and then she went and produced some lovely bales. So hopefully again this year she will succeed expectations. There was a loud bang in this area. That was all down in here. Yeah? Right, here we go again. How much has he got on there? Oh, God's sake. Round 3. Success. First bale of 2025 is on the ground. There she is. So compared to normal, she's quite light, not a lot of weight in her. She seems to have tied nicely. It looks a bit small as well. We might have to adjust that. Let's see what the second one comes out like. May have to do some tweaking here. First one's light as a feather and quite small. This one is looking the same. Lift? I can lift it with one finger. Yeah, string's too loose. All right. So I haven't seen the barley since it was since I put it in the ground pretty much. I saw it come out as a seedling, and that was it. So let's have a look. Wow. Very nice. Right guys, we are just doing some maths. So on this side here, we're going to call it left side, the bale is about 28, and when we come over here, the bale is roughly more like 30. So what we're working out is the why is the bale feeding less on one side and more on the other side. So we're just having a bit of a figure it out. Dad's going to play around with the adjuster as well. So also it's also causing this side to be looser on the string, and this string is tighter because obviously that's more compact that side. These have been adjusted. You've set this bar, ain't you, the metering bar?
I've set everything. Should be where it should be.
Is this the first one? No different. That's a banana fucker. No good. Alright, we'll judge it on this one. Ooh, 40 seeds. Feeding funny. that string, look. String's just completely off. So I'm just watching these strings and also watching the compaction. So there you have that bar there where it's compacting it down. I'm just trying to see if that's affecting in any way. This one looks better.
That looks better.
That's the first one that's alright. Right, we've played around again. So these notches, counting them up, 18 notches we counted on them. We'll see if we get it right, because Dad reckons he used to use 18 every... Bloody hell, woman, covering me in 8. But so this one's not the one either. Here's the next one we're looking at. It's quite far over still. Look how that string sits. Look at this. Right, that string there is a fingernail from the bar, and on the other side, look at this. About a finger and a half. Surely that's some kind of accurate reading right there. We go through this stuff every year. She's heavier, the weight's better, that's a nice weight, but the string's still a bit over. Look at that. And then look at the feed. What? Right, so we're just having a look at the bale shapes.
This one.
Yep. We off? Yep. Right, go on then. You moved
Both of them.
Yeah.
Right, so I moved this one, as you can see.
Yeah, I can see your markers.
Right, I moved that one from there to there. And
Yeah.
then the one up there I moved about the same. Roughly the same. But now, that one's packing quite nicely.
Yeah, so we originally, this side was underpacked, that side was overpacked,
Yeah.
and now
That
side's overpacked and that side's underpacked. Let's just check this one.
that one looks alright.
That's reversed to that. That's overpacked this side. You didn't flip it, did you? Did you flip that bale over?
No.
You sure? So baling day is not going as planned. The Renault packed up a bit ago. Took about 15 minutes to get started, maybe a bit longer. I've got a bale trailer on the back end, but she looks a bit high at the minute. And we're just going to make our way up and hope that she starts when we're up there. So, a bit risky. We're not using the David Brown because she's also going to be a bit risky. She's got her issues as well. Well, mainly the fact that she's not got the bonnet on. She hasn't been used for a couple of months while I'm doing the paintwork restoration on her. The forge has the hay bob on the back end, so I don't think Dad wants to take that off. Ideally he'll want to leave the hay bob on for the bottom field. Right, so I'm going to the gate, because the bottom field will be on tomorrow's list. The Massey has never been up to the top field, so fingers crossed for me, guys. She does not do a David Brown and cut out. We know she's got diesel, we filled her up. We know she's had a couple of little diesel leaks, but that shouldn't affect her. So let's just hope we get up there. So back when I got the Massey, I did a video and I put it on TikTok. And TikTok is just savage for little kids and non-mechanically minded people. And all the comments right on this Massey, just to bear in mind that she, you know, she hasn't changed that much. Bit of paint on the wheels, a bit of filler in the cab, and a bit of sanding here and there. All the comments were, oh, she's shit, oh, scrap, oh, that's a pure scrap, typical 600 series, you know, the rot in the cab. Yeah, fair enough. And they're all saying it ain't worth a carrot and all this, and trying to be like, oh, it's only worth £1,000. Mate, she's made it all out the field, absolutely fine. drives absolutely fine, no problems with the engine at all, and now I can load up hay with her and take her back down. So I just do not understand the mentality of some people, why they can't see past the fact that it just needs a bit of work. I've got every single panel, I've got the doors, I've got the side panels of the bonnet, I've got the grille, I've got everything for it, and she starts on the key. And the bodywork I can do, I've started the bodywork, so beggars belief, innit? Good little tractor. I'm surprised how good she is, to be honest. So I'm going to load up now the bale trailer as much as I can. Dad's gone to go and sort some stuff out, and we'll go from there. Pretty happy with her. She's got up a bit better than the David Brown did, and she looks amazing according to them, so fuck it. Here we go. What's better than a Hawkstone lager when you're out making hay? Ow. Why are you stealing his?
I don't want. I'll just have that.
She's chugging them down.
We're sharing.
Oh yeah.
Sharing.
So baling is finally going successful. We started about 2 o'clock. It's now 6 o'clock. So as you can see, she's feeding quite well. The bales are coming out nicely. Obviously, we're not doing as much land because there is about 6 acres of barley there. So that's split this field up in 2. Bales look good. We always find it takes a few hours to get her going, and then as we see here, well, that one's come out a little bit bananaed. That's the way she's dropped off the trailer there, I think. If you look at that one, she's a lot straighter. There's glare there you go. So you can see all the chain moving because you haven't got the cover on. Come around the back. Oh, look at that, she's got stuck. Come off as a 2. Right, I better go and carry on loading up. So the yield's actually a lot better than I first thought. I thought we were looking at about 70-ish to the acre, probably pushing closer 80 to 90 actually. Hopefully we'll know by the end of the night once we get some bales down and counted up. So about 7:30 I rushed down. 7:30? Yeah, I rushed down, needed a loo. So I went down with, well, it turned out to be 51 bales, which is obviously under what I'd normally take down. I only lost 6. I've brought them back up for rebaling this time. Usually end up with top bags full of hay down there. This time, bring them back up, and then we can rebale them, especially as we're going to have to come up here tomorrow and do a bit more baling. Sun is setting. Can see the sea over that way. What time is it now? Wow, 20 past 9, guys. We started at 2, and we've literally got 45 bales in the building because we just weren't set up. I weren't here though, so I wasn't here to help him. So we've had to set up the building with pallets and then obviously load it up, and to set up the building there was shit to move out. Oh, the views, beautiful. Right, time to unload these, and let's see if we can get maybe another 50 off the field before 10 o'clock. And yeah, I'm by myself because he's down there unloading the Ford. Probably another 40 on that, on a full load, 30 to 40 on that trailer. So yeah, last load for the day now. It's about 10 o'clock. I've got a trailer full, about 70 bales on this time. you. Head down before it goes dark. We don't have lights. I've never actually tried the lights in this. I don't even think I've got any lights, have I? I remember now. I had some lights around there I ripped out. And I wouldn't even know what the lights do anyway. Oh look, there's one here. What's this? No idea. Better not risk it. So down we go.